Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis for BankNifty. Today is the 13th of June 2023, Tuesday. Also, today is the FinNifty expiry, and the current time is 9:04 a.m. IST. So, let me just quickly share my screen. And first of all, let me begin with the overall, the things, which are currently happening. Okay. So overall, if we look at it, we are still developing above the monthly. So basically, this is the area where the supply is shutting off again 44,000. So this is the futures chart, not the spot chart. But this is what is pretty interesting for me is yesterday, I think after rising. So basically, we were actually chopping around the 44,082 reference level, and this is that level where where we have a low volume area node. Now there are some sellers, or the supply has accumulated their selling positions, and today I'll be looking to see if we break this zone or not. Yeah. So from the overall perspective, we are still balancing above the monthly previous month's volume profile. Point of control, volume point of control. 44,000 on futures is still the area where supply is definitely shutting off. And yesterday sellers did try, but if you see where the close is still above the 44,000 level, because this is where many times the supply, they came in, they tried, and this was the zone where we have got some trapped sellers. Okay. So overall, nothing has changed. We are just balancing around the 44,000 level. Okay. And supply may be seeing exhausted today. So that's what my overall trade plan is for today. Okay. So if I just look at the weekly, monthly, and the yearly profiles, right? Sellers have accumulated positions on the weekly, same is on the monthly, and same is on the yearly profile. So yes, definitely the sellers are coming in, and what we are doing is we are just balancing. So this is that level where we look above, failed below, again looked above, continue higher, saw some supply coming in, and now we are again back to that HVN or to the 44,000 level. Okay, so for me 44,000 in futures is an important reference level. If you still want to double click on it, then 4482, so that's my reference level. So 4482, 44,234, and 44,930. So these are the three zones where I'm expecting a sort of sideways development, and how the price can open and how the price can react. Okay, so I'm just closing this, and let me just quickly analyze the components of BankNifty. So HDFC Bank, we are developing lower. Supply is strong here. So yesterday we were in a balancing state. ICICI Bank is also developing lower. We are developing at the lower edge of the balance. Kotak Bank, we are balancing. So Kotak Bank, yesterday, it was developing lower, but the previous day's low was not being taken. So Kotak is balancing, and in Axis Bank, we are still balancing, but in the upper end of the balance. So basically we are, this is a bigger balance, and it is just trading in this particular range. Okay. So Axis and Kotak, they are balancing, whereas HDFC and ICICI, they are developing lower. Okay. And I'm just looking at again back to BankNifty futures and HDFC Bank futures. So overall, we have a pretty balanced shape, a textbook bell curve shape. We have a small excess around the 44,000 level. This is the reference level, and we have closed above it. So for me, the prominent point of control, this is my first reference, the high and the low. Yeah. Plus the 44,000 reference level is also going to be the important one. Okay. So the pre-open data will be out. Let me just quickly look at it. The time is 9:09, right? So I'll just look at that. And while this data is loading, overall, if I just look at previous day's balance and the auction, so we have got trapped shorts lower, some unfinished auction, and we have got trapped buyers. Okay, so just look at the Bank Nifty. So we are opening below the 44,000 level, so 43,889. So we are opening 54 points lower. Okay, 54 points lower. So the close was at 44.85. So we will be opening around the previous week low, and we have got 2 structural stops. Okay, so now this is going to be a bit interesting. So overall, what I'm seeing is, so first of all, there are areas where the inventory is trapped short. We are going to open around this. I'm expecting some responsive buying and see some rejection at the prominent point of control, which is at 44,100. So basically at this 2 level is where, I'm expecting the supply to again come in. So what my observation is, we open, look below and fail, we continue higher, look above and fail. Okay, so I'll be going long above 4400 and I'll be going short below 44,000. So this is that 100-point range, where we will be just chopping off. Okay, so if I just jump to the higher time frame chart, so again 44.85 is the reference level. So we are going to open below it, and I'm going to see the reaction at this level. Do we get supply strong, or do we get supply coming in, or is the supply weak? Okay, but overall, yeah, the VWAP is also pretty flat, and we are above the 0 line. So yeah, so we are opening within the balance, and this is the previous week low. Many times, so yesterday below the previous week low is where supply was shutting off. We had supply coming in and then it failed. So I'm looking for some responsive buying as the price is opening below the previous week low. Okay, so we are gonna open out of balance today. But if I look at HDFC Bank, it has found support at 1610 level. So for HDFC, I am looking for some responsive buying. But yeah, let's see. So the time is 9:12. If you have any comments, do use the live chat function on YouTube, or else we will observe. So we also have got a single print zone. Okay, so it was also clear, but we have got one single print zone around 43,846 level. Okay, so these are the shorts who are holding the current auction, and overall the inventory is short, and the inventory is short to 2 short. Okay, HDFC, we have got some good access. I did not see HDFC Bank. HDFC, yeah, HDFC is opening pretty flat, 10 points, 1510. So it is opening below 1600. Yeah, okay. And if I look at the OI data, so 44,000 is where the resistance is seen. Call positions have been more created. So I'll just note down the pre-open data. Today is 13/6/23, BNF, Tuesday, and FinNifty expiry. The time is 9:13. Pre-open 43,889 minus 54 minus 0.12%. So pre-open market is also, the inventory is also short. So overall inventory is short. And if I just jump back here, yeah, so inventory is definitely short, plus pre-open is also short. So again, repeating the point of reference are PPOC, previous day high, previous day low, and 44,000, the psychological line. Okay. So just opening my one click, and we'll look at the laws of the reaction. Okay, so we opened above, we are developing higher, we are seeing rejection at 44.82, we are developing higher, so the inventory is trapped. It is still developing higher. And it is trying to hit the shorts. Yep. So I'm looking for some exhaustion at this level, but we are seeing continuation. So we have got some trapped buyers now. Now I'm looking for price to move lower. Okay, so this is a resistance level. So we have moved to the area where there are trapped buyers. Okay, so we have got, so there was a gap which got filled. So now again some supply is coming in. And we have got an area where there are trapped buyers. So I have taken a couple of trades, but overall I have made a loss, a very small loss of 400. So we had a nice break. Now supply is coming in. Nope. So supply is coming in, and if the price goes above, then I'm expecting some short covering move, but we are just hovering around the 44,180 level. Okay, so we are seeing supply coming in around previous day's high. This is the zone where there are trapped buyers, and now supply is slowly moving lower. So I'm looking to see this level to be broken. Yep, my SLs are getting hit. So we are in a zone, a choppy zone. This is though where buyers are trapped. This is where sellers are trapped. And we are just chopping in this range. And I'm keeping a 7-point SL and both my SLs are getting hit. So we are finding acceptance above the previous day's high. Okay, so we have got trap shorts. And okay, my SL are still getting hit. So from 300 now my loss is around 771. So this is my overall loss. And we are seeing acceptance. So I'm waiting for this to be broken, but there is again trapped buyers and this level to be broken. Okay, so I've entered a put trade. So I'm waiting for this level to be broken, and then this, so basically 175 and 165. So this 10-point range. So we're just chopping in this, overall 10-point range. And the premiums are also not moving fast enough. Because if this level breaks, right, the 160, then we can have continuation to the lower end. So I will just mark my references. So this is where there are trapped buyers. This is where there are trapped sellers. Okay, again we are back. So we are seeing acceptance. So supply is getting absorbed. We had a good short covering move. So we failed to broke the 160 level. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for this range to be broken. But overall, yeah, I'm still in loss of 846 rupees. So the OI data 44,000 reference level has been crossed. 44,000 is the support. And now supply is also getting shut off. So the delta is also positive. We had a good short covering. We have cleared the stops. And yep, so we are having trapped buyers. So again, we're just chopping off. HDFC Bank is seeing rejection at previous day's VWAP. And also there are trapped buyers seen. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the trade now. No trades yet, but anything above this is a good continuation. Anything below this is where a good, I'll be looking. But now, yeah, it's So I'm expecting again supply to come in here, so it is going to chop off. So we are in a no trade zone. Below this we have got trapped sellers, above this we have got trapped buyers. So these two also are areas where there are trapped buyers. So odds are higher that we will be breaking this level. Okay, so now I'll keep 5-point SL. Okay, so I'll just be on mute and you'll just observe this. Okay, so nothing has changed yet. We are still chopping within this range. So, and if I look at the premiums here, premiums are also have started to melt. Okay. Yep, so no trade zone. Again, more trapped buyers. I want to take a put trade, but yeah, I'm just waiting now. Delta is definitely positive. And we are just developing over previous day's high. HDFC Bank is near the peacock. Still we are hovering around previous day's VWAP in HDFC Bank. So I have entered a put trade. Yep, still we have got more trap buyers, and my SL 5-point SL is also getting hit. So this was the last trade which I took, 234, and my 1-point SL is getting hit. So we got more trapped buyers now. I'm entering one more put trade. My buy price is 236. I'm just closing my SL 234. 235. Yeah, so this level has broken now. Now I'm looking for continuation lower. Keep it 234. 236 is my buying price. So 2-point SL. Still it is hovering around this zone. What is happening here? Yep, we are still hovering around this zone. So we have got trap short. So they are the ones, who are keeping and my SL got hit. Yep. So 236 to 233, just a 3-point SL. So this is the predefined SL, which I keep, and then I, just play with this button. So this is a very good feature by this OI Pulse. One click. So you just click here. I put 5-point SL, and then it pre-selects the ITMs. So okay, so we are developing higher now. I'm buying a call. So I bought it at 392. 393, and now we are having some short covering. Yep. This SL is also getting hit. So yeah, 392 to 392.8. So we are entering the zone where there are trapped buyers. So they are the ones who are providing supply. But odds are higher that we will be moving higher. So my SL is this 44190. Okay, I'll just keep. So my buying price is 94, selling price of 4 points. I'll just keep it 4 points or 3 points SL. Okay, I'm expecting short covering. Yep, the premiums are losing, so my SL will be getting hit. And supply, so basically we are seeing supply around 44,200. Let me just hit refresh to this chart because I'm not seeing that timer. Okay, so we are still 10 minutes to go. Okay, so we are seeing continuation, and I'll start trailing my SL 401, 402. Keep it 399. Yep, SL got hit. So 394 to 400. Yeah, so this was my, I'm seeing more trapped supply. Okay, so 217 was my buy price. It's still hovering around that. Yep. So 406 is my buy price. I'm looking for continuation now, but it is failing. Just reducing my SL. So my buy price is 406. It is still trading around the same, and my SL is hit. Okay, so this zone is trapped buyers. This is where trapped buyers. So a lot of trapped buyers. Buyers have accumulated their positions. What is the OI data telling me? Yes, so 44,100 it has reached. So what is my buy price? 216. So I'm seeing exhaustion from buyers now. But yeah, let's see whether my SL gets hit or not. I think it will be getting hit. So my buy price is 216. I'll keep it 214, 215, 216. Cost to cost. $217. So I'm just managing my risk. because I am looking for continuation lower now. 7. I'm waiting for 225 to come. $218, $219, $220. $21. So I'm just trailing my SL. But this is where some choppiness will be seen, because now the buyers are the ones who are under pressure. So okay, looks like my SL will be hit. Supply is shutting off here, but I am looking for continuation lower. Is it going to 30? Let's see. So my buy price is 216. Yeah, 4 points, 5 points. Okay, will my SL gets hit or not? Does my SL get hit or not? I'm just what I'm looking for. So B period will open in next 3 minutes, and some premium erosion will be there. I think that time when is where my SL will be getting hit. So supply is definitely coming in. So there is some responsive buying happening at this level. So overall we looked below 44, so 44,060, and we are still continuing higher. I'm still active in a put trade. Yep, the SL got hit, and it is because of the premium erosion. Yeah, so 216 to 221. Okay. So I'm waiting for B period to open, and this is where I'm looking for some rejection. Just keep this here. This is my stop level here. So I still need to practice using structure because I have taken a lot of trades, but yeah, that is fine. So premium erosion has already started. So just delete this level. Delete this level. And we have a gap. So we had a good short covering. And we are still developing around 44,200 level. If you look at the OI data, 44,100 is where supply is coming in. And short covering is now happening. Yeah. So we looked below 44,200 and failed. Okay, short covering is happening now. So we are looking above. So the overall inventory was short. They are the ones who are exiting. HDFC Bank is just seeing rejection from the previous day's point of control. I want to buy a put. Okay, I bought a put. I bought it at 213. SL is 208, 209. I think it is hit now. Okay, the call is also getting hit, but I want to buy. We are gonna see some short covering. Yep, call is also getting hit. So these are the two call trades, 2-point SL. This is a 4-point SL. Some supplies or profit booking is seen. So we are at the zone where this is going to act as a support. At 403. The reason why I bought a call is, I was expecting some responsive buying at this level, and looks like my SL will be hit. Yep, it has got hit. So this is where I'm expecting some support to come in, because this is where there are good amount of buying activity happened. Got it at 404.85. So trap shorts here, they are the ones who are going to buy. And if I look at Y, yeah, we are still hovering around 44,100 level. So is it time to move my SL? Yes, I'm moving my SL. Now I want to break this current high, because that is going to give me a good momentum. But yeah, so we have got a good excess. So this is a good short covering move which has happened. Okay, supply is definitely coming in now. Yeah, my SL is hit. Yeah, so SL got hit. So we have access, supply is definitely coming in here. I'm expecting supply to shut off, and if this level breaks, then we will have a good downfall. So we are below the 44,216 level. So my SL will be 216. So if this price goes up, right, so 206, 216, so this will be getting hit. Yep, it is going to get hit. And it is hit. Yep, so lost about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5%, 5 to 6% for a 25K account. Still want to buy a put. Just keeping 3-point SL or a 2-point SL. My buying price is 212, SL is 210, 2-point SL. Because I'm seeing exhaustion from buyers. No fresh buying is happening after we had a good short covering move, and we have got trapped buyers. We have got trapped buyers on the high. We have got some trapped supply who are gonna push the price lower. I'm waiting for this zone. So basically 44,175. Where is 44,175? Yeah, so that is the previous day's high. So I'm waiting for price to reach previous day's high, and that's where we will be seeing some responsive buying. Okay, so I'll just trail my SL. I'll keep 1 point profit, like 1-point SL from my buying price, and previous day's high is where I'm looking for price to move lower. Just deleting this, references. Keeping my SL pretty tight now because I'm expecting some responsive buying here. Price is falling. 44,200 is a psychological level. Yep, SL got hit. Yeah, so 212, just 2-point I was able to capture. Okay, so yeah, took a lot of trades. I am still in a 6% loss, but I hope you learned something new today in terms of how I take the trades, how I manage my position, how I keep my SL and manage the risk. Okay, so thank you again, and I'll see you again tomorrow, same time. And do like, share and subscribe, and do feel free to add some comments if you'd like to. Yeah, so thank you again, take care, and bye for now.